Most people get this wrong. They assume all premium travel cards are the same. But the surprising truth about the Emirates MBD Skywards Infinite Credit Card is that it's packed with perks specifically for frequent travelers, especially those flying with Emirates. You won't believe what happens next. Cardholders earn up to 2 Skywards miles per USD spent on Emirates tickets and 1 mile on everyday purchases. You also get a welcome bonus of tens of thousands of miles if you meet the spending requirement in the first few months. Miles can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, and even partner rewards. Other standout benefits include complimentary airport lounge access, travel insurance, priority check-in, and discounted companion tickets. The card also includes concierge services and special offers for dining and shopping, enhancing the premium travel experience. However, there are some considerations. This is a high-tier card with a significant annual fee, so it's best suited for those who frequently travel with Emirates or value luxury travel perks. Also, approval usually requires excellent credit. In conclusion, the Emirates MBD Skywards Infinite Credit Card is ideal for frequent flyers who want to maximize rewards, convenience, and travel benefits. If you're serious about luxury travel and flying Emirates often, this card is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to make smarter choices for your travel and lifestyle.